Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. It's your prop trading guru here, and today we're diving deep into a fresh player in the prop trading scene, Rebels Funding. If you're looking for a trading firm that offers a variety of funding programs with favorable conditions, you've tuned into the right video. By the end, you'll know exactly what Rebels Funding has to offer, whether it's the right fit for you, and I have a special discount code just for my viewers. So let's jump right in. 1. What is Rebels Funding? First off, Rebels Funding is a newly established prop trading firm, launched in May 2023 and headquartered in the Slovak Republic. They offer a range of funding programs tailored for traders at every level. Key point: established May 2023. Headquarters, Slovak Republic. 2. Funding programs overview. Rebels Funding has 5 distinct funding programs designed to cater to different trading styles and experience levels. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Copper Program. First step evaluation. Account sizes from $5,000 to $320,000. 90% profit split. Profit target of 5%. 2. Bronze Program. 3-step evaluation. Account sizes up to $160,000. 80 to 90% profit split. 5% profit target. 3. Silver Program. 2-step evaluation. Profit target of 8% for Phase 1, then 5%. 75 to 90% profit split. 4. Gold Program. 1-step evaluation. Account sizes from $25,000 to $40,000. 75 to 90% profit split. 5. Diamond Program. Instant funding. Account sizes from $1,000 to $20,000. Initial 10% profit target. Rebels Funding offers a variety of programs to accommodate different trader preferences, making it a versatile choice. 3. Key features of Rebels Funding. What sets Rebels Funding apart? Let's explore their standout features. Unlimited trading period. No rush to meet your targets. A low commission fees. More of your profits stay in your pocket. Fast payouts. Your first payout is just 14 calendar days after your first trade. Scaling plan. If you're profitable, you can increase your account size by 25% after meeting specific criteria. No evaluation for Diamond Program. Start earning immediately. Rebels Funding provides trader-friendly features that can enhance your trading experience. 4. Trading conditions and payouts. Let's talk trading conditions and payouts. Rebels Funding ensures competitive conditions for all programs. Profit splits ranges from 50% to 90%, depending on the program. Payout frequency. Bi-weekly withdrawals after your initial payout. A leverage options. Up to 1:200, depending on your trading instruments. With generous profit splits and quick payouts, Rebels Funding offers appealing conditions for traders. 5. Educational resources. Education is crucial in trading, and Rebels Funding delivers. They provide detailed blog filled with educational content and company updates. Comprehensive dashboard offers real-time access to your trading stats and risk management tools. The educational resources available help traders stay informed and manage their trades effectively. 6. Community and support. Joining a trading community can be invaluable. Rebels Funding encourages traders to engage on platforms like Trustpilot and their Discord channel, where you can find community feedback, insights from successful traders, support, helpful tips, and peer encouragement. Community interaction at Rebels Funding fosters a supportive trading environment. In conclusion, Rebels Funding is emerging as a compelling option in the prop trading industry. With a variety of funding programs, favorable trading conditions, and supportive community engagement, they cater to a diverse range of traders. If you're interested in exploring their offerings further, don't forget to check out the link below for my exclusive discount code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more trading insights. Happy trading, everyone! I'll see you in the next video.